In this video, I'll be resizing this sweatsuit from a large in women's to a 4T in toddlers. One of the hardest things about this project was taking it apart. I love how the manufacturer did on the stitching, but taking it apart, it was the hardest thing I had to do. It took me a few days just to take it all apart. Now that the hard part is done, I have to create a pattern. Using the right size pair of jeans, I was able to create the pattern for the legs. And make sure you leave some seam allowance when you're tracing it. It doesn't look like I did that here, but these pants are actually a 5T and the size I was going for was a 4T, so it worked out even though I did forget. Once everything is cut out, all you have to do is just put it together. Sewing is kind of like a puzzle. Now that I know where each piece go, I can just sew down the line. Now this is the same step as we did with the pants. We're going to take the shirt and trace that out. Make sure you leave seam allowance. And I'm tucking in the sleeves. That way I can just get the pattern for the torso. I will do the sleeves separate with a different shirt, since it will be long sleeve. The thing I love about sewing is watching the outfit come together after doing a little details step by step to get to the final look. These are the pieces from the shirt. They'll go back onto the arm cuffs and the waistband. Now that I have the new measurements, I can just go ahead and cut off the excess fabric. Ironing helps hold the fabric shape. I added in an elastic band for the waist. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with these strips. I know for a fact I was going to put them on the arms, but I noticed they were too short for the legs, so I decided to just add them on one side. And here is the final results. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like and subscribe.